In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a transition in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Transitions are a simple but powerful way to make your videos look smoother and more professional by blending one clip into the next instead of making a hard cut. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, school projects, business content, or social media reels, knowing how to use transitions properly can instantly improve your editing quality. I'll walk you through this step by step, so even if you're completely new to Clipchamp, you'll be able to follow along. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy video editing guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one that already has clips placed on the timeline. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you have at least 2 pieces of media on your timeline. This could be 2 video clips, a video and an image, a background in a video, or any combination you're working with. Transitions can only be added between 2 separate items, so you need them placed next to each other on the timeline. Arrange your clips in the order you want them to appear. Zoom into your timeline if needed, so you can clearly see where one clip ends and the next one begins. Next, look between the 2 clips on your timeline. You'll notice a small Add Transition button appearing in the gap between them when you hover your mouse there. Click on that Add Transition button. This is the quickest way to insert a transition directly between those 2 clips. As soon as you click it, Clipchamp will prepare that space for you to choose a transition style. This feature makes it very easy because you don't need to manually drag and align anything. Just make sure your clips are touching each other without a large gap. Otherwise, the transition may not apply correctly. After clicking the Add Transition button, move your attention to the right-hand toolbar. On the right side of the screen, you'll see different editing options. Click on the Transitions option in that toolbar. This will open the Transitions panel, where you can browse through all the available transition effects in Clipchamp. You'll see a variety of options, such as fades, wipes, slides, and other creative effects. Each one gives a different visual style when moving from one clip to another. You can hover over the transitions to preview how they will look before applying them, which is very helpful when deciding what fits your project best. Now, simply click on any transition of your choice. As soon as you click it, the transition will be applied between the 2 clips on your timeline. You can then click on the transition in the timeline to adjust its duration if needed. Making it shorter will create a quicker effect, while increasing the duration will make the transition smoother and more gradual. Play back your video in the preview window to see how it looks, and make any adjustments until you're happy with the result. And that's it. That's how you add a transition in Clipchamp. As you continue editing, you can repeat the same steps to add transitions between other clips in your project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.